Alright, here we are again, trying to fix the toilet.
Put it on the thing. No, I can't see. Yeah, look.
Like that? Is that good?
Freaking Stacy, look at this. Look at this.
So how long have people been flushing the toilet like this?
Can you do it over here and not on my finger? Well, it's not a rubber band, it's two of these things put together. Very creative, Stacy. Very creative. Nice. Okay.
Alright.
Actually, we probably could have left that one in.
DIY?
Hold on. Wait, I can't get it in. It doesn't work.
The handle looks like it sucks. The other one looks better.
Well, this is all loose, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, well.
Oh well? What do you mean, oh well? Oh, gross. I never thought I'd be doing this. Better call Mike Rowe for dirty jobs. Put us on the Discovery Channel. So you have to hook the chain into that screw-looking thing?
Yeah, but of course, the thing doesn't. It goes right here.
Oh, back. Break time?